Why does your scanner show the P057C engine code? What does it mean? P057C is a diagnostic trouble code for the brake pedal position sensor A circuit low. This error code indicates a brake pedal position sensor A circuit low. This means the car's computer has detected a problem with the signal from the sensor that measures the position of the brake pedal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty brake control module. Faulty brake pedal position sensor. Wiring and connection issues. Brake fluid level or pressure issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.